Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today let's dive into the Dell OptiPlex 790 to see what makes this compact desktop tick. First, let's remove the side panel. It's quite easy, just a few screws and it slides right off. Now we're looking at the internals. This is the motherboard, the central hub for all components. It comes with an Intel Core i5 processor, which is great for everyday tasks and light multitasking. Next, we have the RAM slots. This unit is equipped with 8GB of DDR3 RAM. If you need more power, you can easily upgrade to 16GB. For storage, there is a 500GB hard drive. It's sufficient for most users, but swapping it out for SSD will significantly boost your system speed. And here's the power supply unit, providing 240 watts of power. It's small but does the job efficiently. Just remember, if you're adding more components, you might need to upgrade it. The expansion slots are a nice feature. You can add a dedicated graphics card for better performance or other perpetuals like a sound card or additional USB ports. The cooling fan helps to keep the system cool. Regularly cleaning it can help maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. On the back, you'll find various I/O ports, USB, Ethernet, audio jacks, and display outlets like VGA and DisplayPort. And that's a detailed look inside the Dell OptiPlex 790. It's a versatile and upgradable desktop perfect for office work, home use, and even lighting games. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.